let's talk about the cost of having a serger and the supplies that go with it. Welcome, I do sewing and DIY related content, and today we're doing sort of a part two. I did a video earlier where I talked about the cost of sewing, so let's say you were kind of past that and you're thinking about getting a serger. Today we're going to be talking about the cost of the serger, everything you may need for it, and sometimes what it can come with. Now, this is my serger. I got this about 4 years ago now, almost. I got it in 2022. I had the Singer, it was Making the Cut edition serger. This is a 4-thread serger. You can actually get different styles. I've seen on Amazon sometimes there's like 4 or 5 thread types. This is 4-thread, and then you can reduce it to being a 3 or 2 thread stitch as well. I haven't had any issues with this. The reason that I'm putting it that way is I know in the reviews there's a lot of different comments sometimes about the serger, that some people have really good luck and some people have really bad luck. Sergers greatly vary in price, so I think mine was around $300, and that's normally the beginning starting point for that. At that price point, you're probably going to have to do manual threading. It's not going to come with any bucket to hold your scraps normally, but if you are somebody who you're going to be serging a lot, or you really want to get fancy with it, they do go up in price. There's even some that do auto threading and a lot of different features and functionalities, so it really depends on what you're looking for in your serger, but around $300 for a basic beginner one. Now, in addition, you're also going to need thread. Serger thread actually is different than normal thread. It's normally smoother, finer. It's made from polyester. You can get these on these cones. So I only have white and black. I've had this for the past 4 years and it's been perfect because I normally use my serger for items on the inside of garments. You're not really going to be seeing it. Now, for a pack of 4, normally it's around $14 to $15. So like I said, I just have white and then I have 4 spools of black as well. And then at one point I did buy like 3 cream for a very specific project, but this is all that I've used over time. You can see they also last quite a while, so it's a pretty good investment once you buy it. In addition, because of how a serger works, you are going to need spare needles. So overlock needles or serger needles, they normally run around $11, $12. You can get like a big pack of them. You definitely want to have extra on hand though, because a serger goes much faster. It's a lot of wear and tear on the needles themselves. They also are shaped slightly differently than your normal sewing machine needle. Sometimes they can work. A lot of modern sergers do accept both, but the overlock needle specifically made for the serger, like my serger specifically says to change it every 6 to 8 hours, so definitely something to consider. And then speaking of maintenance, you're going to want some oil. Sergers get dirty so fast and you do have to kind of keep up with the maintenance for them. So this cost me around $6 at the time when I got it. This has been such a great deal. I use it a lot for cleaning my serger, for just going through the process of making sure any spots where like metal on metal touches, I just add a little bit of oil to help keep it clean, and I still have quite a bit of it, and I've had this for a couple years now. Now, there are a couple other little accessories you could get for your serger. It could be like a needle threader specifically for sergers, make it a little easier. That's normally around $7. You could also look at getting little tweezers to help with kind of threading it. Sometimes the accessory kit will include that though as well, and that's just going to be around $3 or $4. Now, all of the prices that I showed here, again, I went assuming you're going to buy everything brand new. You may be able to find some of these in a local thrift store, at a yard sale. A family friend may have some, so definitely look around if you're trying to save money. So the total cost for today will come to around $360, and that's assuming you already have all of your sewing supplies. I absolutely love my serger though, so let me know what other questions you have, and thanks for watching.